Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download MetaTrader 4 on iPhone or Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap the search bar and type MT4 or MetaTrader 4. If the application appears in the search results, open it and tap Install. If you are unable to find MT4 inches, the Play Store, open your web browser and search for MT4 download. From the search results, open the official MetaTrader website. On the website, you'll find download options for different devices, including Windows and Android. Scroll down until you see the Android download section and tap the download option. The installation file will begin downloading to your device. If your device uses App Gallery instead of the Play Store, open App Gallery and search for MT4. When you find the application, tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After the app has been installed successfully, open it, accept any required permissions or agreements, and you're ready to start using MetaTrader 4 on your mobile device. And that's it! So that's basically how you can download MetaTrader 4 on iPhone or Android. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.